All right, y'all, so I am heading to a coffee shop right now. I'm gonna take the e-bike. I don't know if you've ever seen my bug, my 68 bug. So I got that, and I got my e-bike here. But we're gonna go to Lofty, I think, but we might go to Better Buzz. I don't know. I'm just gonna go check both of them out, get some work done, come back to the house, and then we'll get back to work. All right, guys, so we are back from the coffee shop, and now we're going to do customer orders, so enjoy. All right, y'all, we are done for the day. We got our orders out. There's only 2 in here because my buddy Mick, he came and picked up the mail. As you know, in my last videos, Mick is one of my best friends and he's also my mailman. So he grabbed those for me, have these 2 here. But yeah, we are done. So now we get to go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, so on eBay yesterday, made $44.24. I don't think that's bad. $348 is our highest day this month on Amazon, or this week, sorry. And then we have a total of $393 we made yesterday. So, you know, whatever, we need to be at $1,000 a day, but we are at $3,173 this month. It is the 10th, so we need to be at $10,000. But it's all good, guys. We'll figure it out. Much love to all of you. Thank you so much for supporting. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe down below. We make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night.